Welcome. In front of me is Apple iPhone XR, and in this video I will show you what to do if your Face ID doesn't recognize your face properly. So in such case, open the settings application, then select the Face ID and passcode on the list and enter your passcode to continue. And in case you have previous Face ID set up on your device, of course you have to first, let me lower the brightness a little. Of course you have to first remove or reset it. And then before you set up a new Face ID for your device, use a dry towel to wipe the frontal camera of your device, and also make sure that the lights in your room are set up properly so you can clearly see your face in the camera. Okay, I think it's enough. And now let's set up Face ID. So tap right here and then tap Get Started and proceed by adding a new face model to your iPhone. Center your head in the camera and then move it in every direction. Click Continue. Okay, let me do it once again. Okay, click Done and make sure that iPhone Unlock is selected. Now, you should also make sure that your iPhone is up to date. So go back to Settings, go to General, Software Update, check if your iPhone has any updates to install, and if it does, then make sure that you install them. And once you do, restart your iPhone just to make sure that the settings applied. So hold down the power key and the volume, each of the volume keys, and any of the volume keys, excuse me, and then swipe this button to switch your iPhone off, and then hold the power key for a while to turn it on again. And let me get back to you in a while. And once your iPhone restarts, let's first unlock it using the passcode. It is required after the restart. And then let's try and use Face ID to unlock the phone. Oh, and it already did. So as you can see, everything works smoothly. Let me take a look at the camera. Okay, and that's it. I hope it helps you too. And if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.